Silent night? Yeah, right. Tips for dealing with snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. One of the most common mistakes people make during the evening is eating a huge meal in the hours before their bedtime. If your stomach is filled to capacity with food, it will take up more space and press up against your diaphragm. This has the unfortunate effect of making it difficult to breathe as you lie on your back. If you want to stop snoring, don't drink that glass of warm, or cold, milk at bedtime. Dairy beverages can make your nose generate more mucus, which will block your air passages, which will cause you to snore. Drinking water instead will keep your nose from blocking, and will keep you from snoring. Believe it or not, you can effectively beat snoring by repeating your vowels a few times a day. What this does is move around muscles in your throat and face, and when these muscles get stronger, your chances of snoring are slim to none. You can do this 3 times a day. Snoring is common for people who sleep on their backs, however, it's hard to sleep on your side if your habit is to roll on your back. Stitch a tennis ball into the rear of your pajama shirt. When you roll onto your back, the nuisance will push you back to your side, and you'll stop snoring. To keep yourself from snoring, eat your largest meal of the day at least a few hours before bed. If you hop into bed with a full stomach, it will apply pressure to your diaphragm, pushing it up and narrowing your air passageways, and making you snore. Eat earlier so you can digest your food, and not snore. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.